Today we are going to cook a very common Chinese dish, beef and broccoli.
Then we are going to move on to the green onions. We just have to chop off the bottom root part, and we definitely will save the white part and the green part because especially the white part, it will give a lot more aroma. For the carrot, first of all we will peel off the outer skin with a vegetable peeler. Then we chop off the tip. Then we can start cutting off the carrot into pieces just like the same size as the broccoli stem, around half an inch thick, and be sure each size should be equal. For the onion, first of all we will just cut them in half. Then we can just remove the top part first and also the bottom part. We can just take the outer layer if we want to save time. Then we can also cut the onion into wedges, again the same size. Stir fry is really about all the ingredients in the same size.